Kristen, and welcome back for another tips and tricks video brought to you by AppsEvents and Acer. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at the Publish to the Web feature that can be found in Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, and some of the ways that it can help you as you're working with students, with parents, with colleagues, to give them information in different ways. Now first, we're going to take a look at Google Docs. So here I have my sample Google Doc for you, and it's super easy to publish to the web. All I need to do is come up to File, and then down near the bottom of the list, I click Publish to the Web. And now here, you can see I've got two options, Link and Embed. And then I also have Publish Content and Settings options. So first thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and click Publish. When I publish this to the web, it is not searchable. You cannot find it unless I share the link with you. So it's not like as soon as you click publish, people are going to be able to find your materials. Not the case. You still have to share the link with them. It is still safe. It is still protected outside of the people you want to share with. But what it does, and you can see here, if I copy and paste, it gives them from Docs a HTML web page where it's just kind of, here's the list of all the things, all the hyperlinks are still active, but it's not looking like a Google Doc that they think they should be able to edit. And you'll notice up in the top right corner, it says updated automatically every 5 minutes. So the standard publish settings mean that now I can go in, I can change things, and in 5 minutes, it will automatically update and show those new changes. I can stop this. If I come back to my publish settings and I go down to publish content and settings, the first option, I can stop the publishing. If I want to take that away, no longer want it to be an active link. I can also restrict it to a certain domain, to a certain group of people, or it's automatically set to publish as changes are made. But if I want to use this for something like a step-by-step project that I want students to work through at a specific pace, where I kind of need to work ahead, but I don't want to share a separate link with them for part 2. I just want them to be able to see the whole thing in one go. If I untick automatically republish when changes are made, this means now if I go in and edit this document, none of the changes are live. So I can change whatever I want to. For example, I can copy and paste the same thing again. And now if I refresh this page where my link was, you'll notice that automatically updated every 5 minutes has gone away. So all of those changes are hidden in the background until I change that setting back. And all I have to do when I want to update this page, when I'm done working in the background, my students are ready for the next step, is I come back here to my sample checklist, I go back to File, Publish to the Web, and I tick that automatically republish box, and it will update it to include whatever is next on this page. I did not have to update the links. I did not have to do anything else. It just automatically reloads it. And that is the best thing about Publish to the Web, is I can keep doing things, I can keep making changes, I can keep adding more slides, and they will be able to view it without me having to change any sharing settings, without having to relink, without having to create new templates. It's all just there. Now the last thing that is in all of these options is the embed code. And the embed code means that you can take that and put it into a website or copy paste it into a different LMS or communications platform, and it will put it within the normal frame of that web page as a live slide that they can click through, or as a live sheet that they can click through, just the same as what they're seeing on the website version, but just within another site. So that code is there for you. You just have to click between the link and the embed depending on what you want to use it for and where you want it to be. So all things Publish to the web can be super user-friendly and can be super helpful for you in terms of communicating with people and automatic updating without republishing, without losing things, and in Docs lets you work in the background and then update them later. So I hope these tips help you. I hope they give you new ideas for how to communicate with people at your school and in your life. And we'll see you back next time for more tips and tricks.